Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Donna Rose Ramon. I am 26 years old from Lupao, Nueva Ecija. I am graduating of high school. My mother's name Santa Ramon, my father's name Dalmacio Ramon, and my sister's name Chris Darica Ramon. My experience in the Philippines has a maid. We have 4 members. I take care of 2 children, 3 years old and 5 years old. Year of 2019-2022. My own duties, house cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and take care of the children. Mom and Sir, give me a chance to work with you. I promise to be honest, kind, trusting, hardworking, obedient. I want to work to Hong Kong because I earn money and support my family. So my future employer, I hope you will see you soon. Thank you and God bless.